Got these little birds out here that live in this evergreen tree over here, and I spot them every day when I come down here. It's super cold today. Winter's coming early. There's one. There's a couple right now. So they get in here. They're so tiny they come right through the fence. This does not hold them because they're so small. They can go in and out anywhere. And they come in here. They come in here and they eat my chicken feed. They're down here probably gorging themselves all day and making a mess of the coop. And I really want to rid myself of these birds being in here. I don't mind them at all being in the tree over here, but I do not want them coming in here making a mess and eating all the food. So what I'm going to try doing here is I got a couple junk DVDs, and I'm going to put some string through them, and I'm going to hang them on the wire on the top. I'm going to put a couple of them in here, and we'll see if the supposedly the flashes of light as the sunlight passes over them and stuff, it will spook them enough where they're going to stay away. My hands are almost numb. It's so cold out. I just got out here. Got to be about 10 or so with the wind chill. Now this can be your, like this one is just some junk one I got, and I went to play it and it's all scratched up. It could be something like that, or a movie that you hate, or something like that, or a CD. I can hear them chirping over there. I don't think they like what's going on. We'll see if it works.